Hey everyone, it is experiment time here today. Now, I found this pic stashed away on one of my old Pinterest boards and it looked pretty interesting, so I thought I would try to recreate it. It looks like a flat shirt with dye powder added in lines and ice put on top of the dye so that the dye water wicks across the shirt to make stripes. So that is what I'm going to try. As always, full details are in the blog post. Please check it out if you're interested in learning from my mistakes. All right, let's go. Okay, here's the final result. It is not exactly what I intended, but that's part of the fun of it. So I chose colours that would split, but they didn't split very much, so the stripes are pretty uniform colours. I think I was a little heavy-handed on the dye. I'd like to try again with less dye powder and maybe irregular shaped ice cubes like theirs. I feel that the different amount of ice melting into each part would help to differentiate the colours. But it is definitely wearable, and that's the main thing. I can refine the technique as I go. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you decide to do your own ice dye experiment, please let me know. I would love to see it.